Once upon a time, in a busy city, lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was kind hearted and always looked for ways to help others. She believed that even the smallest act of kindness could make a big difference. One morning, as Maya was walking to school, she saw an elderly woman struggling to carry her groceries. The bags were heavy, and the woman looked tired. Without thinking twice, Maya ran over to help. Let me help you, ma'am, Maya said with a warm smile. The elderly woman looked surprised but grateful. Thank you, dear. You are very kind, she said. Maya helped carry the bags to the woman's home, which was just a few blocks away. When they reached the house, the woman offered Maya a small candy as a token of gratitude. Maya thanked her but politely declined, saying, Your smile is enough reward for me. The elderly woman, whose name was Mrs. Gupta, was so touched by Maya's kindness that she decided to do something nice for someone else. Later that day, Mrs. Gupta baked some extra cookies and took them to her neighbor, Mr. Rao, who lived alone and rarely had visitors. Mr. Rao was surprised and happy to receive the cookies. Thank you, Mrs. Gupta, he said, smiling for the first time in a long while. He decided he would do something nice for someone, too. The next morning, he cleaned the snow off his neighbor's car before they woke up. The neighbor, a young man named Rohan, was running late for work and was relieved to find his car free of snow. What a pleasant surprise, he thought. Inspired by this unexpected kindness, Rohan decided to buy breakfast for a homeless man he saw on his way to work. The homeless man, named Raj, had been having a tough time. He hadn't eaten a proper meal in days. When Rohan handed him a warm sandwich and a cup of coffee, Raj was deeply moved. Thank you, he said, almost in tears. I can't tell you how much this means to me. Feeling grateful, Raj decided to share half of his sandwich with a stray dog that often kept him company. The dog wagged its tail and nuzzled Raj's hand, showing its gratitude in the only way it knew. Raj felt a warmth in his heart that he hadn't felt in a long time. He realized that kindness, no matter how small, had a way of coming back around. Days went by, and the kindness that started with Maya continued to spread throughout the city. People were more patient with each other, more willing to lend a helping hand. Maya, however, had no idea that her small act of kindness had created such a ripple effect. One evening, as Maya was doing her homework, there was a knock on the door. Her mother opened it to find a man in a uniform standing there. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Officer Patel from the local police station, he said. Maya's mother looked worried. Is everything okay, officer? She asked. Officer Patel smiled and said, Yes, everything is fine. I'm actually here to speak with your daughter, Maya. Maya came to the door, feeling a bit nervous. Yes, sir, she asked. Officer Patel explained that he had heard about Maya's act of kindness from Mrs. Gupta and how it had started a wave of good deeds throughout the community. We wanted to thank you, Maya, he said. You've shown us all that kindness can truly make a difference. Maya was surprised but happy to hear this. She had only done what felt right, but it warmed her heart to know that her actions had inspired others. A few weeks later, the community decided to host a celebration to honor the kindness that had spread throughout the city. People of all ages gathered in the park, sharing stories of the good deeds they had experienced or witnessed. Maya was invited to speak at the celebration. She felt nervous standing in front of so many people, but she took a deep breath and spoke from her heart. I never imagined that helping someone with their groceries would lead to all of this, she said. But I'm glad it did. Kindness is something we can all share, and it doesn't have to be big to make a big difference. Everyone clapped and cheered. Maya's words touched their hearts, and they realized that they all had the power to make their community a better place. From that day on, the people of the city decided to start a new tradition. Every month, they would gather in the park to share stories of kindness and encourage each other to continue spreading goodwill. They called it the chain of kindness. Maya became known as the kindness ambassador of her city. She continued to find small ways to help others, always with a smile on her face. She knew that no act of kindness was ever wasted and that it could start a chain reaction that reached farther than she could ever imagine. The city became known for its warm and friendly people, and it all started with one small act of kindness by a young girl with a big heart. Maya learned an important lesson: kindness is like a seed. When you plant it, it grows into something beautiful and strong. It can change lives, bring people together, and make the world a better place. And the best part is, anyone can plant this seed. You don't need to be rich or powerful, you just need to care. Maya continued to live by this belief, always looking for new ways to spread kindness. And as she grew older, she never forgot the power of a single good deed. She inspired many others, showing them that the best way to change the world is one small act of kindness at a time. Years passed, and Maya's acts of kindness continued to inspire people everywhere. She became a teacher and shared her story with her students, encouraging them to be kind and thoughtful. The students loved her stories and were eager to follow her example. One day, one of her students, a little boy named Arjun, saw an elderly man struggling to cross the street. Remembering Maya's stories, Arjun ran over and helped the man. The man smiled and thanked him, and Arjun felt a warm glow in his heart. When Arjun told Maya about what he did, she smiled and patted his back. You see, Arjun, she said, kindness is like a light. When you share it, the whole world becomes brighter. Maya knew that her journey was just beginning. With each new day, she looked forward to spreading more kindness and watching it grow, just like a beautiful garden in bloom.